It's chalkboard slime. We already have bowls out, because I bet we're going to need those. Oh, they're actually some of those. This new stuff. How many popsicle sticks are there? Oh, there is 2 things. Here's the chalk, the black chalk stuff. It dropped. Well, there's lots of containers. Yeah. But like, okay, I guess we really don't need this. Don't we need instructions? We don't. It's on the box. We don't need those. I think is there another blue bottle? Yeah, do you have a blue bottle? Yeah. One activator bottle? Instructions are right here. Okay, let's like, we don't. Look at all these colors. What is them? Stuff on. Popsicle sticks. Look how pretty. Okay, we're just gonna put these aside. Okay, this is the. Oh, here's the like measuring cup probably. This is okay. What does it say? No, that's Washington. Good. I think we already know how to make signs, so okay. We're just gonna add in. I'm gonna add in now the whole container of this. I'm not making too much. Dude, make more, way more. Doesn't really smell like anything. It doesn't really smell like glue. That's probably good. Probably about half. Okay, now I'm gonna let's add in some color. I think I'm gonna add in. You have to use charcoal. So you're gonna draw on it. What? You don't add color line. That's the paint where you paint it on. Oh yes. Okay, then I guess we use these things. Yeah. I don't know if this is powder. Okay, it is. No. Oh, I got some on my lip. Oh man. Wait. It kind of smells like paint. This smells like. Oh, got some on my lip. Don't ever try smelling it. And just like. Just tap it in there. Okay. Okay, like this is like. This is really weird. Yeah, it's like weird. It's gonna make me feel like. Okay, done. Oh, that's good enough. And it's like kind of like slime. It's like slime that's already made, but like really sticky. We wouldn't touch it. It's like okay, this will make it black. I'm fine with black slime. That's what I think it will look like. Yeah, that's really black stuff on it. Okay, yeah, this is looking black. You guys can see. It's like already activated. Spicy. Add a little bit, add a little bit more. I mean, it looks kind of. You see how blue it is? Okay, I guess we need to put in. We're just gonna put this slime out. I'm gonna stir mine up while you activate. I think there's a thing that's we could use water activator, but we're gonna see how well it works. I think this is I never made chalkboard slime before. Mine, I didn't even put any activator in it, and look, it's like already sticking off the bowl.
Yeah, like I just need a little bit. I don't think I need so much.
I'm just gonna add a little bit because it's probably really sticky.
So mine's just a little toss. Like, just like
Mine's gonna be like amazing. Okay, so mine's very sticky.
mine's like
I'm gonna get it off the spatula.
so.
The black
So far-
stuff, that chalk stuff that makes like you can write on it and everything. It's like makes it activate pretty easily.
I want to really try this, so I'm gonna flatten this out.
Yeah, and then here's the colors. And then it doesn't stay like that all the time.
I have to like. This is so
There's wait.
Okay, then I'll flip it over.
We made like a tiny batch because we didn't want to use like all the glue.
Yeah, like because it's really it actually looks blue.
Blue.
It looks black.
Okay, so you ready? Mine's still activating. You can.
So I've got, I guess, more water.
We thought that we might need more water.
You don't. And I don't know. No, that's marshmallow.
See what happens. So mine just needs a little bit more work.
I'm gonna use this color.
What color? The pink.
Gosh, you have to like open all of them.
Why?
Because look, it has a little.
No, you don't.
There you do.
Still some black excess. Hope this doesn't stain your hands.
It does. Okay, so you'll want to mix.
Oh yes, it does open all at the same time.
Yeah. So I'm gonna
The thing it came with like containers and everything. Plus if we made like the
I mean, couldn't you do this on like every slime? Or just paint it?
No, but you'll need the black stuff on it.
You could use
And I don't think it will like. Okay, this is pretty good.
like if you use
This is
white.
pretty good for being in a box. Box slime. I never tried Nickelodeon slime kit before. Have you? You might have. It smells interesting.
So it looks okay. I'll show.
I don't
once I got it.
Here.
Okay, so it's
Okay, this is really good.
but I got one question. Like, how do they get it so perfect? Like when it says cool on the box. Okay, so this might make it lighter, but like.
Well, no, it mixes in.
Yeah. Yeah, mine's
I'm just gonna do like. Mine's not talking about.
yeah,
I'm gonna
it's
do
lighter.
white. And I'm
So
just
probably
gonna
want
do
to
white.
like chocolate stuff in because it made it tasty. So now that I've got it, it's like painting.
I wrote. But it like the paints if they paint onto it, it doesn't color the slime. It washes it away.
So I'm gonna do a little bit of this. Yeah, you have to like mix it on this. But I think I'd give this slime kit a thumbs up. Like
Really
it.
good slime and everything.
And like,
And on the box it looks gooey and everything.
yeah, it looks like it's jiggly, but
It's really jiggly, but it's
I'm gonna
not
see what
jiggly.
see I wrote us.
It's like very good.
So good it is. So
And especially like in the bowl, it just already comes off when you don't even put any of
okay,
it.
so
I put like 2 drops of that in, and then it works like kind of looks purple, like a really, really dark blue when it's stretched out. Okay. I'm gonna add some, instead of doing the white, I'm gonna add some. Just gonna wash this off. What are you gonna write? And this paintbrush is very good too. Doesn't stick to the slime. No, like you would expect it. It's in your nails. It doesn't sting your hands at all. Are you trying to write cool? Like what they did in the box?
Like the paint is like spongy.
Okay, so this is, I wrote cool like on the box, and it stretches really,
my heart looks
good.
really bad.
I don't want to like get paint all over me. But like, I bet you could do this with white slime if you had like brighter colors.
No, I bet you couldn't because this, you have to use the black stuff.
No, you probably could.
Maybe we should try that.
If you use purple, then it might work. So
but
I just
this-
have a little.
But this isn't like food dye, though, see? The black stuff isn't like food dye.
Well, you could probably use paint on it, but it would probably color it. So
I don't think so, but okay.
I wrote cool as well. So it might get some stuff on your table, but it comes off. Just like, yeah. So here's mine. I wrote cool on it as well, and then just random stuff. It doesn't even color your slime at all.
It makes it lighter. I got
No,
it.
it doesn't. Well, it made yours lighter, like way lighter. Mine's still as really dark.
Let me get more charcoal stuff.
I kind of added a lot of it. Chocolate stuff. It's like really good.
So adding some of this black.
Some people poke like this.
I poke like this.
Even though it makes better noise like that, I would still poke like that with like my fingers.
I bet you could put.
So you added more. So yeah, I added more. And well, this was. I definitely give this like
You should probably
definitely a
try
thumbs up. You
But,
definitely should. We got this for Christmas.
So
It's like very good.
like that. But like
So we're gonna see.
probably want to put lots.
Yeah,
So
it's like really good slime too. Like I wasn't expecting this kit to be this awesome.
well, if you want us to try it with like regular slime,
Mhm.
the paint, see if it works.
Yours is kind of tough. You put too much activator in. I only used like 2
it's
drops.
so strong. See, like, look at it, it's blue.
Well, that's just like. My hands are still pretty clean. Just my nail. It's black inside. Cause I got
So-
black from this.
Yeah.
Stretchy.
Should definitely try this.
I would definitely do this. So we should. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it thumbs up. Subscribe.
TikTok account.
Follow our TikTok account. It will be right